Hi, I'm Dr. Jen Landa, the MD Sexpert. I'm an OBGYN, author of the Sex Drive Solution for Women, Chief Medical Officer of Body Logic MD, and the creator of the Rewire Your Desire program. Today I want to share with you something I use to help women get the passion back in their lives. I've helped my patients do it, and I can help you too. If you're experiencing low sex drive, you're not alone. It may not be something you talk to your friends about, but if you did, you'd realize that a lot of women have this problem. I want you to know that no matter where you're at, you can have a healthy sex drive. I know because I've helped countless women regain the sex drive they'd lost and even get it back better than it was before. I know how it feels to lose your passion. When I was 28 years old and just finishing up my residency, my training program to become an OBGYN, I realized that I had absolutely no interest in sex. No passion, no lust, no way. I ignored it for a while until I couldn't bear it any longer. Then I sat my husband down and I explained it to him. You can imagine his reaction. I was frustrated. I was just about to become an OBGYN. I was done with studying, almost finished with my training, and I hadn't learned anything about women's sexuality or how to help women get their passion back. Nobody was even talking about it. That day, I began my journey to learn more about sexual passion. What causes it, and what causes it to go away? What triggers it, and how to bring it back? And I learned how to maintain it. Today, sex is a wonderful part of my life. What I learned I never would have learned in med school. In fact, I started a training program just for doctors about how to treat women who have lost their sex drive because I realized the information just wasn't out there for them. Did you know that regular, satisfying, intimate sex helps your relationship deepen? A healthy sex life relieves stress and anxiety. It creates a positive attitude. It increases your self-confidence and makes you feel hot, sexy, and filled with energy. In my fight to regain my desire for sex, I explored the pieces of my life that affected my sex drive. I looked at all kinds of things like lifestyle, senses, hormone balance, health, nutrition, and my relationship, just to name a few. More than anything, I learned that the low sex drive I experienced was fixable. I also learned that I wasn't alone. Every day in my medical practice, I encounter women who've lost their sexual desire. Their passion's gone and they have no idea where it went. They come in with their partners, all ages, all walks of life, and they're frustrated, just like I was. Helping women regain their sexual vitality and their zest for life is why I became a doctor and why I want to reach out to more women with the easy things I've learned to help women make their sex drive better. When patients put my program into practice, they find more satisfaction in their lives and in their relationships. They're sexier, more passionate in everything they do, and their intimate relationships become deeper and more bonded. A lot of women tell me that they're busy and overwhelmed. They don't have time to make big changes in their life. The good news is that the practices I teach take just minutes a day, and they're fun. The real payoff is when you spend just a few minutes a day on practices that'll spark your passion, you'll improve so many areas of your life. It's worth it. A lot of my patients tell me that they just don't feel sexy anymore. They've let themselves go. Maybe they've had medical issues. They lack confidence. If you're feeling unsexy, I can help you find ways to overcome your body image issues and regain your sexual confidence. It doesn't matter where you're starting from. You can get your passion back. Some of my patients have never really had an interest in sex. They come to me because they want to make their spouses happy. I help them open doors that were never open before. Other patients want to restore the mojo they once had, and I help them get their passion back. Single women come to see me because they're lonely. They're afraid to date when they know that they have no interest in sex. Whether you're a man or a woman, have a partner or not, I can help you find your desire. Low sex drive. Who can you talk to about this? It's sort of embarrassing, especially during your 10-minute OBGYN appointment with your clothes off and your legs up. And to be frank, most doctors don't know the answer. Maybe they'll tell you it's normal with age. It's not. Maybe they'll tell you it can be fixed. Sex increases the passion in your life, your self-confidence, your self-esteem, and your energy. More sex makes you feel more sexy. And passion increases your feminine power and charges you up. It leads to more intimacy in your relationship and in all your relationships. You and your partner can have the honeymoon back. Knowing looks between the two of you, playfulness, and the passionate moments you remember. You and your partner can have the heat of new love, along with the comfort that comes with really knowing your partner. It took me 15 years of searching, even after getting my MD, to learn how to boost my mojo and get my sexy back. And I can help you get your sexy back in just minutes a day. What I've done for you is put together a free video series to help you rekindle your desire. It's a 3-part video series designed to share with you 11 quick and easy practices that can help fire up your sexual passion. Using these 11 passion practices, you can restore your passion. They're simple techniques to rekindle your desire, and they work. In video 1, I'll show you how, in a few short minutes a day, you can become more receptive to sex. In video 1, you'll learn the 3 practices that will allow the passionate side of you to come forward. And wouldn't that be nice? It'll impact every aspect of your life. Video 2 will surprise you. You'll learn just how radically hormones impact every aspect of your life, from your energy levels, to your sexual appetite, to your feel-good moments. In video 2, you'll learn 5 simple and natural ways to get your hormones and your brain chemicals balanced and flowing naturally. Don't be surprised if your partner becomes more exciting after video 3. In video 3, you'll learn 3 practices that'll really get your juices flowing and make a difference. No excuses. If you practice the tips I share in video 3, you'll spark up your love life quickly. I've helped lots of women get their sex drive back. They and their partners are enjoying the love dance again. Here's all you have to do to learn the 11 passion techniques that'll help you bring your desire back. Just put your name and email address into the box, and I'll see you in video 1.